Wellspring Station. Hmm. Trailer house. This spring's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, let's check it out. What is up, my 10th kilometer Lord belong here? But you can call me Teasy because it's time for another episode of Legends of Spirit Tracks. In the last episode, we finally got past... no one's in here. Where's to do that? Huh? Oh, look, there's a note on top of this desk. Need to get shots of these hot new trains. I'll try these spots today. This dude has to be somewhere. Alright, Ferris, where are you at? We're in a busy mood right now. Alright. The map says he's probably gonna be right here. Probably so. Probably gonna be right there. Probably gonna be right there. He's gonna be over here because I remember him being over there a long time back because I was helping my sister with this game and she actually got past this game too, and she said she liked it. This is a really nice place though. The stamp station's all the way back there, so I'm gonna have to use another thing. I'm surprised anyone lives all the way out here. It's awfully remote. Anyway, would you like to get going? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Most of these stations we stop at has the song In the Fields. Alright, so let's try here and let's avoid that train. These 10 minutes were really quick. I just got a new SD card yesterday because my other one wasn't. The other one is like old though. Where are you at? Huh? What is that noise? Is that him? That is him. Is it? Let's hit him. It's you. You bitch! Oh, I accidentally hit him. I'm sorry. I was mad at the train because it wouldn't stop. Oh my gosh! You stopped! So, how's it rolling? When I first saw you and driving the spirit train, I freaked! I was like, holy cow, it's the spirit train! Say, you're that guy who just became an engineer. Below 4, was it? Yeah. I'm Ferris. When it comes to trains, I'm kind of an expert. You know, everyone else thought is too spooked to take their trains everywhere right now. My god damn. But here you are, driving away. Very interesting. You just gotta tell me where you headed. Temple. Really? You're heading to the snow temple? Chugga chugga. Wow! That place is impossible to get to with all that with the blizzard and all. But I hear the tracks are linking to the Tower of Spirits. Temples are safe, as in they protect us from the storms. How cool is that? Say, maybe if you took those tracks, you might be able to reach the temple. Oh, I just remembered. I have an old map of the tracks down in that area. Some parts are out of date, but the spirit tracks you're looking for are there. What in the world do I do? How'd it go? Were you able to decipher your path? No, sweat. Oh, if you want to look at my map again, just stop by. For now, I'll be here trying to catch some killer picture of the locomotives in action. To be honest, like guys, I really didn't get that map. I accidentally don't know how to do it. Hey, you craving another look at my sweet vintage map? If the map's a little dusty, just blow on to clear the smudge dots off. Alright, so it says it's right there, there, and there. Alright. Yes, I got it. Alright, let's follow where it tells me to go. This way, and there. Oh, I'm not driving in there backwards. You got life messed up. I should have turned around before I got there. Wait, here comes that train again. It's coming my way. Baby, don't you come my way. Got something I have to say. Leave me away from, get away from me and my train. But first off, let me start by saying this. Baby, let me get away from you, you big old train. Please get away from me and my awesome looking train. Given by me and God to me and the spirits of good. Oh my God, get away from me right now. Dun, 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 dun. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Piece of crap. Whoa, that looks like a tornado right there. Ah! Where are they at? All you have to do is just shoot the heads that's coming at you so you won't get hit again. And in those meantime, you could like hit the bodies later. Oh, longest I ever heard that for. Look at that blizzard, guys. Here we go. Everything turning white again. Let's do it roller coaster mark. Just look at the ground. This storm's something else. I can't see anything. I can't either. I swear it sounds like water. All I can see is trees and spirit tracks and ground and rocks. And that too. See if we can find a bunny in here. There'll be something if we can find a bunny. Oh my God, where is it? Oh, there it is. Whoa, everything just turned white, guys. Is that it right there? That's just not covered with, just covered with trees. Where'd it go? Where are we at? It has to be somewhere. Got 1 more minute. Or 2 more minutes. Let's go. Incoming. Incoming snowman. Oh man. Save the life out of this thing. I'm not doing this again. The storm's still going even when I'm saving. Look. There's the snow temple, guys. I'm just waiting for time to pass. Uh-oh. What? What? Ah! Whew! So, this is the snow temple. Are you ready for this one for? Oh yeah. Then let's go. Alright guys, so this is the end. See you guys next time. We're in